So you may be ready to start investing and you've been looking on the App Store for the best investment app, but are totally clueless and overwhelmed by all of the possibilities there are. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the Simple Dollar's best 4 investment apps for 2020. Hi, my name is Camilla O'Brien from thesimpledollar.com, where we believe that personal finances doesn't have to be complicated. Our team over at thesimpledollar.com did a bunch of research to compile a list of the 4 best investment apps for 2020 that will suit your financial needs, and today I'm going to be sharing those with you. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe to our page for even more personal finance content. Before I even jump into which investment app is for you, let's just talk about what is an investment app. An investment app is basically an app that you use on your phone to invest. So it allows you to invest without using a broker. A lot of times with these large investment firms, they don't even want to deal with people who don't have hundreds and thousands of dollars to invest. So this allows you to do all the work for yourself. You can research stock prices, you can look at historical information, you can look at news articles and opinions about the investments, and do all of the work and execute the trade yourself. So basically it puts all of the power in your hands and is usually pretty, affordable to do so. So you're not worrying about paying the salary of some investment broker at a brokerage firm. So in terms of thinking about which investment app to use, you really need to think about what your needs are. Do you want to invest for a home? Do you want to invest for retirement? Do you need some of this money to send your kids to college? What is it that you want to do? Do you even want to allow your kids to open an investment app? So really think about the full picture of what it is that you want to do, and then you'll be able to pick the investment app that is going to work for you. So let's start out with Stash, which won the award for Best App for Novice Investors, meaning you don't have a lot of money to invest and you don't know what to invest in. This is basically the app for you. The app allows you to invest in various companies or ETFs, which are exchange traded funds, with no account minimums, and it allows you to use fractional shares. When you open up the app, you'll see different themes like gamer or doctor, and it allows you to pick stocks in those different industries just by clicking on the theme. So it's very easy to use and it's pretty fun to look at. So it's great for new investors. So Stash has 3 different account levels: $1 a month for Stash beginners, for beginner investors who just want to do the basics; $3 a month for Stash Growth for people who want to do retiring investment; or Stash Plus for $9 a month, which allows you to add a custodial account for your kids. So if you want your kids to start investing as well, you can add them to your account through the Stash Plus program. So the next app won the award for Best Commission-Free Investing, and that app is called Robinhood. If you live in the city, you may have seen ads for it on the subway, or you may have seen ads for it on the television, because Robinhood is everywhere. And the reason why people love Robinhood is because you can invest for free without any account minimums. So a lot of times with different larger investment brokerage firms, every time you make a trade, you're spending $5 to execute the trade. And with Robinhood, they decided that they did not want to do that. So with Robinhood, there's no fees for trading, meaning you can trade to your heart's content and never have to worry about paying a fee to make your trade. They also have fractional shares in their program, so you can buy shares without having to spend the full amount for the stock value. Robinhood also has a program called Robinhood Gold for $5 a month, which has a lot of different features, one of which is access to Morningstar, which allows you to do deep research in different companies going back years and years. And this is really great for experienced investors who want to really get into the weeds of a company before they execute a trade. And the next app is Wealthfront, and Wealthfront won the award for Best Financial Planning. So before I tell you why it won that award, let me tell you a little bit more about Wealthfront. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor, meaning they do all of the work for you. And this is great for a passive investor who really wants to invest but does not want to spend all of the time doing all the research about different companies and making sure their account is diversified properly. Wealthfront will do all of that work for you because it's doing it using technology. So basically there's a computer figuring out what your needs are and what are the best investment apps for you. So their motto is, we use technology to make more money on all your money with no effort from you. So you don't have to worry about paying a broker because it's a computer who is a broker for your account. But the reason why the Simple Dollar gave it the award that it did is because of a tool that it has called Path. And Path lets you plan for big life events such as college, retirement, or saving for a house. And you can use the Path tool even before you start investing with Wealthfront. Wealthfront does have a management fee of 0.25%, which is really low in comparison to large investment firms. And it also allows you to connect your account through them to your TurboTax come tax time. So when you're doing your taxes, if you're doing it yourself, you don't have to worry about trying to figure out how much money you gained or lost and how it connects to your taxes, because the two accounts will connect directly together. And finally, the award for Best Automated Investment App goes to Acorns. Acorns is a great app for new investors who think they don't have any money to invest, because it allows you to invest your spare change. Anytime you go shopping, as long as you have your debit card connected to Acorns, when you swipe your card, whatever change is left over, let's say you spent $15.50, that 50 cents that would have rounded up to $16 will go into your investment account. So it will just find money that you have lying around and invested into your investment account. It's also a robo-advisor, so it will determine where to put your money so that it will meet your goals. It also allows you to schedule direct deposits into the account so that you can invest on a regular basis in addition to your spare change. So you can do $5 a week, you can do $50 a week, whatever you want to do, you can still do that with Acorns along with investing your spare change. Acorns also has 3 different account levels. Light for $1 per month, which is for basic investing. Personal for $3 a month, which allows you to invest for retirement. And $5 a month for family, which allows you to add an account for your child. Before you go and pick an investment account, make sure you are looking at all of these apps and comparing it against your financial needs. You can find a link to the article below, which will also have links to the different investment apps so that you can do even more research. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to click like and subscribe to our channel for even more personal finance content, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.